In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your data safe in QuickBooks using the resources provided by Intuit. With the increasing reliance on digital tools for managing finances, ensuring the security of your data is more important than ever. So let's walk you through the steps to bolster your data protection using QuickBooks. To start off first, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. This can be done by visiting their online platform. When you arrive on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll notice that it's designed to help you navigate easily through its various features. The main menu should be readily visible, typically towards the top of the screen. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials securely before proceeding. Once you're inside the QuickBooks interface, next up is accessing the settings menu. This is an important part of managing your QuickBooks environment because settings affect everything from how you interact with the platform to how your data is secured. Look for a gear icon or a settings option, typically found at the top right-hand corner. Clicking on this will provide you with a range of options that you can modify according to your preferences. Now, let's move on to the privacy settings. As you navigate the settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Privacy. This is where you can make crucial adjustments to secure your data. It's advisable to periodically review these privacy settings to ensure they're aligned with your personal and business needs as things continuously evolve in the digital space. By selecting privacy, you are taking an important step toward reinforcing your data security strategy. Once you are in the privacy settings, the next step is to focus on a specific area that Intuit emphasizes, which is keeping your data safe. Within this section, there will be detailed information and options regarding data protection. These may include settings for two-factor authentication, alerts for unrecognized access attempts, and other robust security measures. It's essential to take the time to understand these options as they can significantly enhance your data safety. By following these steps, you help protect your financial data from potential threats and unauthorized access. Remember, safeguarding your information isn't a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process. Frequently revisiting your settings and staying informed about new security updates and practices can make a big difference in maintaining a secure QuickBooks environment. That's all for today. I hope this guide has been helpful in guiding you through the process of securing your data in QuickBooks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content, and feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay secure.